This is a quick tutorial about how to create a screencast using QuickTime Player on your Macs. So the QuickTime Player is accessible to you. It's free using the Finder menu, and within Finder you have Applications. And in Applications you have QuickTime Player right under P, under Q. If not, you also, if you've used it before, it might be right here and you can click on it. Once you click on the QuickTime Player, you will be able to see a certain series of steps. I cannot show those to you live because I'm already in a screencast recording. So I have put them in a presentation. So once you click on the QuickTime Player, it will open up a folder like this, which essentially allows you to store your screencast into a folder, and you can access it for later. So once you click that folder, you say done. And when you say done, it's going to allow you to go right up top to the file menu, and then you have three options to record. First is the new movie recording, second is a new audio recording, and the third one is the new screen recording. This is the one that we want to use because that will allow us to record our screen and our voice. So when you click on that, you will get an option like this. And in this option, you want to make sure that you click on this little down arrow key and make sure that your microphone is connected to the internal microphone. And if you want your mouse clicks to show up in your recording, then you also want to click on the show mouse click option. And those are your two settings that you want to make sure you're all set with. And then lastly, when you click on the red button, which is right here, it will show you this option of click to record the full screen, drag to record part of the screen, or in recording by clicking the stop button in the menu bar. So when we say clicking the stop button, that means this button right here. So if you click on the stop button, it will allow you to stop the recording and store the screencast recording file into the folder that you've created. So these are the basic initial steps of starting your recording. I'm going to go back to my recording and my home screen. And in this case, everything, all the activity that you do on your screen will be recorded. So one of the good tips is to make sure all your assets that you want to display or talk about in your screencast are sort of opened up in your in a tab format right in right up top here, so that you can access them easily. My screencast is going to be about Google Classrooms, so I have a couple of handouts and presentations that I'm going to need while I'm talking about the screencast, so they will be open up top in the tabs. So that's the very basics of how to record a screencast. And once you are done, you're going to go back and you're going to click on the stop sign right here. At that stage, it's going to ask you if you would like to store or save your files, and you can name your move file and you can save it into the folder that you've created. In my case, I also wanted to quickly show you one of the files. So let's say I have one of the files that I opened up. You can export this file by going to the file menu. You can export it as a 1080p file or a 720p file. Most of the times we upload our screencast into YouTube format, so 720p works fine, but it's always a good practice to export 1080p file because it gives you that much more clarity. What you would be exporting it at this level, and then once you click on that, it will export the file to the folder that you want to save these files to. That's about it. That will be your screencast recorded into your folder. I hope this is useful to you. Thank you.